How can I prevent threadworms from returning in the long term?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing how you can prevent threadworms from returning in the long term. Threadworms, also known as pinworms, are a common type of parasitic worm that can infect the intestines and cause discomfort and itching around the anus. It's essential to take the necessary steps to prevent their recurrence. So, let's dive right in and explore some effective strategies.
Maintain good hygiene practices.
One of the key ways to prevent the return of threadworms is by maintaining good hygiene practices. Washing your hands thoroughly with soap and warm water after using the toilet, before eating, and after coming into contact with potentially contaminated surfaces is crucial. Encourage everyone in your household, especially children, to do the same.
Keep your living environment clean.
Another important aspect of preventing the long-term return of threadworms is to keep your living environment clean. Regularly vacuuming your floors and upholstery, especially in bedrooms and play areas, can help remove any eggs or larvae that may have been shed. Washing bedding, towels, and clothing at a high temperature can also eliminate any potential eggs.
Trim and clean your nails.
Threadworm eggs can be easily transferred from the anus to the mouth through scratching. To prevent this, it's important to keep your nails trimmed short and to avoid biting them. Additionally, regularly cleaning under your nails with a nail brush can help remove any eggs that may be present.
Encourage regular showering or bathing.
Showering or bathing on a regular basis is another effective measure in preventing the return of threadworms. Encourage daily bathing or showering, particularly in the morning, to help remove any eggs that may have been laid during the night. Remember to use a clean towel after bathing.
Promote good toilet hygiene.
Promoting good toilet hygiene is crucial for preventing the long-term return of threadworms. Encourage everyone in your household to wipe from front to back after using the toilet. This helps to minimize the transfer of any eggs from the anal area to the genitals or mouth.
Change underwear and bedclothes regularly.
Regularly changing underwear and bedclothes is an essential part of preventing threadworms from returning. Changing underwear daily and washing bedclothes at a high temperature can help eliminate any potential eggs or larvae that may be present.
Treat the entire household.
Threadworm infections are highly contagious, and it's crucial to treat the entire household simultaneously to prevent reinfestation. Consult with a healthcare professional who can recommend appropriate over-the-counter or prescription medications to eradicate the worms. It's important to follow the treatment regimen as directed and to ensure that everyone in the household receives the necessary treatment. That brings us to the end of our video on how to prevent threadworms from returning in the long term. By practicing good hygiene, keeping your living environment clean, and following the necessary treatment measures, you can significantly reduce the risk of reinfection. Remember, prevention is key when it comes to maintaining a healthy and worm-free environment. Take care, stay informed, and be well.